Hi, I'm Zamantungwa Kumalo, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Do you have a small room that feels even smaller every time you're inside? Well, you'd be surprised how changing the paint color on your wall can not only transform a room, but can make it look and feel bigger. That's exactly what I did in this bedroom. Let me show you how. The tools and products you require are 20-litre Fired Earth Whispers White in Color Paint, Plascon Universal Undercoat, Ready Mix Crack Filler, Turpentine, Foam Roller and Tray, paint brushes, masking tape, mask, gloves, goggles, scraper, screwdriver, hammer, sandpaper, mutton cloth, drop sheet, an extender pole, and a ladder. Today, I'll be transforming this room. As with any DIY project, especially a paint job, preparation is crucial. When preparing a room for a paint job, it's important to remove any unsightly nails from the wall. The use of masking tape helps to protect your door frames, your electrical outlets, skirtings, your window frames, and you want to make sure you avoid getting paint on them. Fill the holes with the Ready Mix Crack Filler and use a scraper to remove what's left over. Use sandpaper to smooth out the surface. Use a drop sheet to protect your floor. It's especially important to use a primer when painting a wall. Now, priming ensures better adhesion of paint to the surface, it increases paint durability, and it provides additional protection for the material being painted. It's important to stir the paint before you use it. You can use an old stick to do this. Pro tip, I'm using a plastic bag to protect the tray because I'll be using it more than once. You can use this or also use cellophane instead of a plastic bag. Now I'm ready to paint. I start with the Plascon Universal Undercoat. Now let the roller do the work and apply the paint from top to bottom. I follow with the Fired Earth Whispers paint in white. This is a low sheen, washable, pure acrylic paint that's suitable for interior and exterior use. Fired Earth Whispers is a high quality, low odor, washable, pure acrylic with a soft, subtle sheen finish. This paint is rapid drying and you can apply 2 coats in one day. Allow 4 hours drying time between coats. Given how dark blue this room was, I am so glad I used a good primer. It's made such a big difference. For more inserts like this, visit our website. Now, all the products used in this insert are available at your local Builders or online. Get to Builders, get it done.